Hi guys! Welcome to my unboxing of my smart Wi-Fi Starlight Projector from Lasco. So as you can see, I've ordered this and it says Wi-Fi. Wow! And also says here, tignan mo natin yung box. And ito ang ganda. I do love the box. It's very protective. It says here, laser light, do not stare into green. And kung tingnan natin yung gilid, it works with Lasco app, Smart Life, Amazon, Google Home, Google Assistant, and Tuya app. I don't know what that is. And so code. So next naman, features is RGB light with plenty of color options, pre-programmed scenes for easy use, voice command, mobile control, programmable on and off schedule. I do like that. And yeah, works with Lasco. And Lasco, we make high-quality home automation affordable for every Filipino. So this, we must support local products. And this is it. And let's see, guys. Buksan natin. Oops, sorry. Oof, ito kagad bumungad. And we have here the manual. So smart Wi-Fi like Starlight Projector by Lasco. So manual yan, how to open it. We have notice, ito yung specification. We have power input, power output, classification layer, lasers, work temperature, wireless type, laser color, and then paano siya. So we have here. So moment, I'll read this later. So may ko lang sa tabi. We have here the power output. Here's the cable. Kailangan natin kasi isasaksak din natin. So let's connect it in here. It's good. Then we have here the Lasco. Wow, dilas na. And there's nothing outside the box. I-close na natin yung display na natin dyan. Tignan natin yung plastic. So we have your Lasco. Wow! So ito yung sasabi niyo. Like the projector. You can do this and that, and here's Lasco. And ito yung power output. So let's do it. Oh, naka-on na siya. And it doesn't have anything. So, same thing. This is my Smart Star Projector. User manual, 1.8M cable, and have an adapter. Sorry, it's fine. Okay, sabi daw, it says here, remove daw yung protective. Sorry, my nails. This is so embarrassing. Sorry, It says here, remove the protective film sticker from the laser. So, remove natin yan. Ooh! Laser up. At take it off. The next, connect the power supply and remove the indicator. So, hindi ko alam how this is. And ito yung unboxing. And maybe later, I'll download. Ito-configure ko muna using my app and Wi-Fi. So, stay tuned for it, guys. So, hi guys. It's 12:20 in the midnight. And I promise na i-connect ko a device ko after I've read the manual ng Galaxy Projector. So, here I am. Na-download ko na yung Lasco app like they recommended. And then, It's very easy lang. Once you connect it, i-add the device mo lang, and let's turn it on. So here's the on button. So this is what it will look like. So ito yung Galaxy, and this is the laser pointer, and this is like the on and off button, and any kind of way you want. So punta tayo sa color, and this is what it will look like. See? Isn't it pretty? Pwede natin i-change whatever color you want. You can go for blue. Then you can go for green. And then, may maganda rin dito is the laser. So you can minimize the laser. Minimize the laser. Or you can speed it up. Pwede mo silang pagalawin and look. They're actually moving. It's very pretty. I love it. So there you go, guys. That's like my review of the Galaxy projector, Starlight projector. It's so cute. And that's it, guys. Bye bye.